This vintage lens set me back $9.99. Spoiler alert, it's a good one.
Now we're talking. Let's go.
Hey everybody, welcome back. I have a pretty cool lens here, and it is a zoom lens. It's a Vivitar Series 1 28 to 90 millimeter f2.8 to 3.5. Series 1 was Vivitar's flagship line back in the 70s and 80s. This example, with the serial number starting at 28, means that it was manufactured by Sony. This lens was built in 1984. Just like my Vivitar Series 1 35 to 85 millimeter, which I have shot with in the past, this one also has the push-pull zoom. Let's look at the specs. Optical design is 14 elements in 12 groups. Aperture is via 6 blades. This example has a 67 millimeter thread. At 28 millimeters, the minimal focus distance is only 23 centimeters. That's great. It's very well built, all metal and glass. That means it's a little bulky, 680 grams. I was curious to see what this $10 lens could do, so I took it out in multiple locations. First off was a World Cup viewing party. This was a low-key outdoor event. Let's start there and check it out. And here are some still images from that event. Next, I took this old lens and went into a room full of old things. Check it out. So what are my impressions of this $10 lens? First off, the range is great. It's a fun walk around lens. And let's talk about the character. This lens surprised me. Very nice color rendering and pretty sharp, wide open even. For the outdoor event, I pretty much stuck to about f8 and that looked great. For my indoor shots, I was pretty much wide open, either 2.8 or 3.5. In all instances, it wasn't that hard to focus. Yes, lenses like this are a little bit heavy for some folks, but I found it well balanced to shoot with. This is really a good example of a vintage lens that you can get for cheap and get results. Not all Vivitar Series 1 lenses are created equal, but I like this example and I do still like the 35 to 85 as well. I think the next one I would look at is the 70 to 210, but I need to do a little more research on which version to get because I think there's 5 of them. Would I recommend this lens? Absolutely. You can get them for super cheap, and you know what? It can cover a big range and get you quality retro images and character. So be sure to subscribe to our channel because we got more lens reviews like this coming up. All right, we'll see you soon.
Oh! I hit him in the nuts.